Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So we need to cancel about the square root. So we need to use about the power 2 in here and here. So to do about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b because this one that is about a minus b. And we need to multiply on numerator and denominator. So if we simplify this one, we will have about 11 minus 40 minus 40 minus negative number 5. So 11 minus negative number 5. Negative with negative, we have positive. So we have 11 plus 5, we have 16. Negative 40, we have negative 80. Next, number 8, we can do about factorization. This one, I will put negative on numerator and denominator in here. So negative will change the sign of this one. So we have t minus number 2. So this one simplified by this one. And now I will put number 2 going here and here. So we calculate this one. And we have negative number 4 with the square root of number 3 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.